when we open a case, a 3D case, we have this 3 view and the 3D view here. 3 views, coronal, sagittal, and axial view. When we take the line, we're able to move inside the volume. And this line is a red color. I read on the sagittal view. If I move the blue line, I read the coronal view. We may rotate around a point like this. And also we may move the 3D view and do some things like cropping the 3D view. Because if I like to work only in one area, we're able to crop the 3D view. We have also on the top some icons. This icon give us a possibility to do different actions like changing the view, to go to the curve. This icon here, this is for the matching. We'll see how to use it. This one is only the 3D view. We'll also see some function like this. This is to help to see the outline of a 3D object. We will see later how it works. Some icons like this, if I like to show the 3D view or not, and some different kind of filters. Also some function like this that could be helpful when we like to reset the position at once, like this. Also on the left side, you may see some stamps. The first stamp we have when we open the software is a filter area here. Filter helps to change the brightness and the contrast. We have a small window. If we click on it, we have the same thing. We have some area to collect the 3D object, an area named surgery that helps to redesign or to design a 3D object or surgical guide, measurement area, implant area, drill guide area, picture area, works, wax up area, text on a surgical guide, okay, airways, and well, cephalometry. We won't see this function today.